Alright guys, this is just a video here, just a fast one on how to install the HDR 68 tuning run barrel. So yeah, I got this here from Home Defense 24, and this is for the 68 cal revolver from Umarex. So yeah, it comes with the tuning barrel, comes with the spring, and it's got a threaded cap here. Also, just set that aside, and it comes with an extension as well. So, yeah, that'll just thread on the end. So we'll put that on after, but it's got this little locking nub here. It locks inside, somewhere in there, I guess, in between the ribbons. That way it doesn't spin. But, yeah, okay, so I already removed all the screws out. This is a pretty quick, easy installation. As you can see, I got, it's around a 683 inner diameter, 6.82 inner diameter tube. It's an aluminum barrel. This is good. It's a good barrel for the smaller rounds, like Canada riot balls and aluminum balls and stuff like that. I'm not too sure about the rubber balls, but I know they're all got small profiles too, small diameters. Let's see. I got a few rounds here, so I got a Z-ram. So I got a aluminum ball. I got a 3.6 gram Canada riot ball, a Grindberg Jewel, and a Z-ram. And I'm pretty sure the Z-ram definitely, hands down, is not gonna. Oh, wow, it does. Oh, this is great. It does not fit in this barrel here, so. Oh, wow, I was surprised. Nice, that's perfect, man. Z-rams are, and the Grindberg Jewels, they're larger diameters, more around the 686. So, yeah, you get really good numbers with those. I almost got my finger stuck in the barrel. Oh yeah, the Jewel. Oh, then again, the Jewel kind of gets stuck, but I have I got some Kevlar fused on there, so it's kind of thick. I shot it at high joules through my Kevlar trap, and if you guys can see, the Kevlar is actually fused on there. But yeah, other than that, it fits nice. The Jewels, the Z-rams, they're around 686. So we know these are going to fit. The aluminum balls and the Canada riot balls, no problem. So yeah, this will pretty much shoot anything. I mean, the HPs are the largest. Do I have one of those sitting around? Oh, I do. Ooh. Nope, it will not. It will not accept the HP 68s. I mean, you could probably ram them in, but what's the point, right? Now we got a D's bullet also. They appear to fit. They've got a really tight profile in here. Let's see how hard they are to get out. Well, I definitely can't blow it out with my lungs, so that tells me it's going to be a little bit tight in here. Actually, I don't know, man. That might be about max what you can put in there. I'm surprised. That there is about the size. It feels kind of like the Jewel with the fusion on it. Anyways, I'm going to fire those and I'll try them out. Something tells me those are going to make a really good seal in there. I mean, they are, you can't blow them out like other ammos, and they're slightly got to push them out. So it might dampen the pressure a little bit, and it might not. But we'll find out eventually. All right, let's get back to this barrel on the tuning room. So I got all the screws out for you. Don't want to make you watch that. It's boring. Yeah, so let's get this shell off. Oh. Take this piece off. That's the top. Oh, I've mounted a little slot in here so I can fit a scope on. I think I explained that in a different video. But anyways, so yeah, let's get this off. Okay. And so it's just as easy as you're going to take your barrel here and just pull it out. Lift it up out of the shell a little bit. And yeah, as you can see, that just goes in place. You just got to kind of sand this part down, spin it with some sandpaper. Spin the pipe on a drill or something, and then just hold some sandpaper here, and then it'll fit right in nice. If you take enough of it off, you can use some Teflon tape to help create a little bit of a seal too. And then here you got your spring, and you got a round of Gorilla tape to hold the spring on. Anyways, I'll set that aside. And for the tuning run, you just oh, I see where it goes. It goes up at the top. That part, that little nub on the barrel. And then we just set the spring in. And we're good. So put this sight back in. So that's it, guys. It's just drop in and out. Just lift up the shell. Take your stock barrel out and just hope that don't happen. Your spring doesn't go flying. If you guys ever get a jam in the barrel with any of your HDR revolvers, it's going to be this spring is not set right in the shell right here. So it'll kink up or it'll jam. When you go to put it back where it compresses in, this part will slip forward and then it'll just get all kinked up inside of here. So yeah, if you ever shoot and your barrel's not returning and your magazine's spinning freely, like if this thing's just rotating freely and spinning and it's not stopping, well, you got to go back and reset that. But anyways, I'll just stick this back in, set your spring up in there, get the sight back in, and that's it. That's all it is to replace a barrel, the tuning run. So you just do your screws back up. Yeah, I won't make you guys watch all this here. I'll just... And then you get this piece back on. I'll do that after. And for your tuning run, put the extension on. This should give you a nice little boost. Well, hands down it will. It'll give you a boost for sure. Should give you a boost with CO2. You'll get a nice increase off HPA. And also, the longer you go, I'm not sure if he has them yet, but at Home Defense 24, I think he's got the sniper extensions for these like he has for the 58 cal, or for the 50 cal. So I'm not too sure, but you can always check on his site. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to install a tuning run. I'm going to put the HDR, I'm going to do the HDR 51, the compact, and I'm also going to show the new valve in the HDX, the 88 gram conversion. Alright guys, I'll see you guys then. Take care and stay safe and have fun.